Hello, welcome back to the Matrix and Determinant class. My name is Sonoluwafen Bodogbe, and today we'll be checking the inverse or reciprocal of a 2 by 2 matrix. So let me start from the familiar inverse we knew. I know if we have, as we have a 3 number, let's say we have a figure 3. Then the inverse or the reciprocal, the inverse of 3 is equal to 1 over 3. Or we can also write it as 3 raised by minus 1 according to law of indices. But we knew that 3, which is inverse, will surely give us 1, right? Alright, that's what we call it reciprocal. Or we have 3 times 3 raised by minus 1 is equals to 1. The same thing is applicable to matrix. Let A be a matrix. Then its inverse will also be A raised power minus 1 or 1 over A. Then A times its inverse also equals to 1, and our 1 in matrix is what we call unit matrix. You can take your time to check our video on unit matrix. That's okay. So let's take, for example, let matrix A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and its inverse should be A, B, C, D. Then according to the definitions, the multiplication of these two should be equal to 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 times A, B, C, D should be equal to 1, a unit matrix. As in this 2 by 2, we have 1, 0, 0, 1. Take your time, watch the unit matrix video. So let's try to find the value of A, B, C, D. So don't forget your multiplication row by column. So that is 1 times A, 1A, plus 2 times C, 2C, and 1 times B, that is B times 2D, that is B, plus 2D. Then 3 times A, plus 4 times C, 3 times B, plus 4 times D, equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. So you can just write this out in order to get the value. So here we have A plus 2C equals to 1. A plus 2C equals to 1. This equals to this, this equals to this. And B plus 2D equals to 0. 3A plus 4C equals to 0. And 3B plus 4D is equals to 1. So here I can have my B to be equals to, I can make B the subject here by taking plus 2D to this other side. That might be equals to minus 2D. Then substitute B equals to minus 2D in this equation. I'm going to have 3B, which is minus 2D, plus 4D equals to 1. Then for this, I can also solve for the value of D. 3 times minus 2D, that would be minus 6D, plus 4D is equals to 1. And this minus 6D plus 4D, that is minus 2D, is equals to 1. Then I can have my D to be equals to minus half. So with that now I can get the value of P. So I'm transferring this B equals to minus D here. So with this one side, so we have B equals to minus 2D. So B equals to minus 2 times 1 over 2 to cancel 2. So my B equals to 1. Alright, then come back to this, my A and C. So here I can make A equal A the subject, which is A equals to 1 minus 2C. I can I substitute it here. So I'm going to have 3A plus 4C equals to 0. Then 3 my A is 1 minus 2C plus 4C equals to 0. So I have 3 minus 6C plus 4C equals to 0. And I have 3 minus 2C equals to 0. Then minus 2C equals to minus 3. So C equals to 3 over 2. So I can now substitute the value of C here. So I'm going to have A equals to 1 minus 2C. C equals to 1 minus 2 into bracket 3 over 2. And 2 cancel 2. So A equals to 1 minus 3. So my A equals to minus 2. So I can now write out the value of A, B, C, D. My A is minus 2. And B equals to 1. C equals to 3 over 2. And D equals to minus 1 over 2. So this is the inverse of A, which we represent as A, B, C, and D. So by the time you multiply this with the matrix A, your result will be a unit matrix. However, there is a quicker method of obtaining the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix, and that's what I want to derive. Based on what we just solved now, you can take your time and go through it again. So a quicker method of obtaining the inverse of 2 by 2 of a 2 by 2 matrix. And for any matrix PQRX, the inverse may be obtained by figure 1, interchanging the position of P and S, and I've got 2, changing the sign ends of Q and R, and lastly multiplying the inverse, multiplying this new matrix rather, multiplying this new matrix by the reciprocal of the determinant of PQRS. So for the previous example, following this rule, so the inverse of matrix, the previous example we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, So is 1 over determinant so let's first of all find the determinant. One, two, three, four. You can check our previous lesson how to find determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Minus 6. So we have 1 over minus 6. Then according to the rule, interchange the position of P and X. So in this instance, we are going to interchange 4 and 1. Then change the signs of Q and X. This is positive, so it becomes negative. The other is positive, also become negative. Then we now multiply this new matrix by the reciprocal of the determinant. So we have 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1. So by the time we open the bracket, we have 4 over 6 minus 4 over 6 plus 2 over 6 minus plus 3 over 6 and then minus 1 over 6. So take it to the lowest time, we have minus 2 over 3 oh sorry, 4 minus 6, that is minus 2, pardon. So here we are going to have so minus 2, 1, 3 over 2, and then minus 1 over 2. So you can see that this result is the same as what we got by using this method. However, this method is very easier. Just interchange the position of P and exchange this sign, then multiply the new matrix with the inverse of the determinant of the particular matrix you are asked to find. So let's check some example and follow this principle. Example, like call it 2, okay? Determine the inverse of 3, 7, minus 2 and 4. Solution. And first of all, find the determinant. I have 3, 7, minus 2, 4. That will be 4 times 3 minus 2 times 7. So I have 12 minus 14. And that I have 26. So I'm at the inverse. So the inverse now equals to 1 over, that is the reciprocal of the determinant, which is 1 over 26. Then the matrix, I have to interchange this, that will be 4 and 3. Then change the sign of this. This is negative 2, then will now become positive 2. This positive 7, then will now become negative 7. So I can now use this to multiply this. So you can also check our scalar matrix multiplication. So we have 4 over 26, 2 over 26, and 7 over 26, and then 3 over 26. So let's simplify and take to the lowest form. So we have 1, 2 over 13, 1 over 13. Why this cannot be simplified further, we have minus 7 over 26 and 3 over 26. Alright, Alright, so you can take your time to go through the video again. My name is Sonoluwafemi. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.